How to add your company on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add that easy and quick. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile. After that click complete your profile, and now here we'll find company, and just click on it and type here your company and then click next save, and that's it. And I hope that can help you. Now just go back, it will be saved, and now your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.